Hi everyone and welcome back to GoDev Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from desktop. First of all, you have to open your YouTube channel, then you will see create button on the top right side. Click on upload videos. If you want to upload YouTube Shorts, you have to select the ratio of 9 by 16, and when you upload the video with the ratio 9 by 16, YouTube will automatically pick the video as YouTube Short. So first of all, you have to enter the title of the video that will be shown on the top of your channel. Now scroll down. You don't have to put the thumbnail here, so you also have to make the tags that will help you to generate traffic on your YouTube channel. Just paste the tabs here. You can easily use rapidtags.io for this. You can also attach the different things such as end videos, but for this moment we will skip this. Just click on next and again next. Now click on public, and after clicking on public and after all the things have been completed, you can easily click on publish and your video will be published. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.